While creating my previous video, I later realized I missed two important features that actually I could have included in my previous video. I thought those are useful, and that's the reason I'm creating this video, only the two features I missed in my previous video. And I think knowing of these two features is going to actually help you to enhance the scope of usage in NotebookLM. So what are the two features I'm talking about? The first one is going to be using audio files for your research, and the second feature I thought I missed out but is very important is the feature of timeline. This video is going to be the continuation of my previous video that I created on NotebookLM. If you haven't seen that video yet, please click on the I button on the top and watch that video. In summary, this is a quick walkthrough video of NotebookLM to start and use for your benefits. This is going to be a very short video only covering these two missed features. Without wasting any time, I'm directly jumping into the walkthrough. Let's start with the walkthrough. Once you are in NotebookLM, now let's say create new. For my previous video on the NotebookLM, I actually created a podcast. So I downloaded the podcast as an audio file, that's a WAV file, and then I'm going to use that as a source for this walkthrough. Now I'm just going to, I already downloaded the file and I'm going to select that one and upload here. Now you can see this is a WAV file, it's an audio file actually, and how Notebook is going to extract summary from this audio file. It's a little bit longer audio file, it's around 12 minutes, so that's why it's taking some time, but it's hardly 30 to 45 second maximum I have seen that's taking. And now you can see there is a good summary generated from the audio file. Now again, the same way like for other sources you do, like generating briefing document or study guide, everything works the same as the input is PDF or any website or any YouTube video. Now I'm not going to that here for this video. Now I'm going to jump into the second feature actually I wanted to share in this video. I'm going back. I'm going to select a different input file or input format for this section of the video. So here actually I'm going to show you how the timeline feature works in NotebookLM and how good it is. I'm going to use a Wikipedia link for Chola dynasty. I'll say choose now here actually I'm going to use this format, link a website. I put it here, insert. Now again you'll be getting a summary generated for this Wikipedia page. Again you can do anything like briefing document or study guide or FAQ based on this Wikipedia page, but what actually I'm going to show you and why did I specifically select this particular link, because it clearly shows how the timeline works. Now if I click on the timeline, so here is the timeline already generated by NotebookLM. Now expand this one. Now if you look at this timeline of the Chola dynasty, it says early period starting from 1600 BC and the 300 CE, and then it's basically creates the timeline like which time period in the history, what worked, and all the details corresponding to that. After that it shows you like cast of characters, and then they define where they were present, and that's the end of timeline. So basically if you are looking for any specific area, like history is one of the very good example where this timeline information is really helpful. So you put an article on the history and then get this timeline generated. It's very convenient way to look at history. Any other information that you want to track across different time periods, if you have a document, upload that and use this timeline feature. I found this is really great and helpful to visualize different events or characters across the historical time period. If you like such content, please visit my YouTube channel Darktopian Dreams and subscribe.